Okay, Mike Valdez here, otherwise known as Exxon. Let's see, on my build thread, I had a request to kind of do an overview on the operation of the gear doors for the Taylor Typhoon. Followed the wiring diagram according to the plans on the Typhoon, and I was extremely impressed with how well they functioned. I plan to use this technique on another build, on a P51 Mustang, here in the near future. Okay, the first micro switch was prepared by soldering this rod here to the upper portion, or the lever of the switch, and the wires were then soldered to the switch and routed along the leading edge of the wing, coming through, making a very sharp turn, coming through the inside of the wheel well, which you can see there, and then into the center section of the wing. This is a shot of the second micro switch, which is operated by the inner gear door servo. As the arm rotates and hits the lever here, it allows the inner gear doors to go in the down position when the transmitter gear switch is activated. If you are planning on using mechanical retracts, the plans indicate that you must have 3 Y harnesses. I used the pneumatic retracts, so therefore I only needed 2 Y harnesses and 1 extension. Okay, well, hopefully this diagram that I put together will kind of help you guys understand at least the terminology that I'm using. Probably the biggest thing is when I refer to the leg. Leg meaning like the end of the servo, or the connecting end of the servo. Okay, let's start off with Y harness number 1. Leg 1 connects to channel 5 on the receiver. Leg 2 connects to the servo which operates the tail wheel assembly. Leg 3 then connects to Y harness number 2 at leg 1. From there, leg 3 would connect to the servo which operates the inner gear doors. Between leg 3 is where you would splice in the first micro switch, which is located in the wheel well. Leg 2 of Y harness number 2 then plugs into the extension leg 1. Then leg 2 of the extension would plug into the servo which operates the air valve. In my situation here, the servo is underneath this plate here. Between the extension, or leg 1 and 2 of the extension, is where you would splice in micro switch number 2, which is located here. Okay, we're now ready to test the landing gear. Let me describe what will happen here. What you're going to see is the left side come up first into the wheel well, followed by the right side, which will then activate the micro switch, which will then bring up the inner gear doors. So let's see how this operation goes. There we go. In the up position, the gear door is now closed, and let's put the gear down. Right side will come down here in a second. There it goes. And it is now in the down and locked position. I will now show you guys what the operation looks like from up top. Okay, let's take a look at the operation here from up top. Gear is up. Okay, we're going to put the gear in the down position. And that's it. Everything working the way it should. Okay, we're going to take a peek at it from a different angle here. Gear up. Okay, and gear down. And that concludes the Brian Taylor gear door landing gear operation.